Welcome back to Bike Buzzing, your go-to destination for all things motorcycles. Whether you're into sport bikes, cruisers, or the latest two-wheeled innovations, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated 2025 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade, a name that's already buzzing in the motorcycle community. Honda has gone back to its roots with this machine, blending nostalgia with bleeding-edge technology. So, if you're a fan of the legendary Fireblade legacy, buckle up, this is a ride you don't want to miss. The legacy of the Fireblade. Before we explore what's new for 2025, let's rewind a bit. The original CBR 900RR Fireblade debuted in 1992 and was a game-changer. It brought the total control philosophy into mainstream superbike engineering by shedding weight instead of just adding power. Over the decades, the Fireblade evolved, eventually becoming the CBR 1000RR, but in 2025, Honda surprises us by bringing back the 900 branding. This signals a spiritual reboot. Something purists and performance riders alike have been craving. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 CBR 900 Fireblade lies a newly developed 899 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine. Unlike previous versions, this engine has been built from the ground up, striking a balance between mid-range torque and high-revving top-end performance. Honda claims a peak output of 140 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 88 Nm of torque, which puts it right in the sweet spot for both track agility and road usability. Thanks to a lightweight crankshaft and optimized valve timing, throttle response is crisp and immediate. While it doesn't try to outgun leader bikes in raw horsepower, it compensates with razor-sharp delivery, smoother transitions, and a more rider-friendly power band. It's designed to give you that Fireblade thrill without overwhelming you. Frame and chassis, precision engineering. One of the biggest upgrades is the aluminum twin-spar frame, which has been re-engineered to reduce flex and improve feedback through corners. Combined with a longer swing arm and revised geometry, the 2025 Fireblade handles with surgical precision. The bike feels planted at high speeds, agile in tight twisties, and composed under hard braking. The bike sits on Showa BPF forks up front and a Honda ProLink rear suspension, both fully adjustable. Whether you're carving mountain roads or dialing in track day settings, the suspension is highly responsive and forgiving. The weight distribution has also been recalibrated to support more aggressive riding, especially under throttle. Braking and tires, maximum control. Braking is handled by dual 320mm discs with Brembo Stylema calipers up front and a single 240mm disc at the rear. The braking system includes cornering ABS, rear lift control, and brake-by-wire tech, ensuring you can stop with confidence regardless of conditions. The 2025 CBR 900 Fireblade rolls on Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires, which provide exceptional grip and feedback. Combined with the new electronics package, the traction management and wheelie control systems feel natural, never intrusive. It's a machine that trusts the rider and rewards precise input. Electronics and rider aids. This is where Honda pulls out all the stops. The Fireblade features a 6-axis IMU that powers a suite of rider aids including lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, wheelie control, engine brake management, and launch control. These are all adjustable via the high-resolution 5-inch TFT display, which also includes Bluetooth connectivity, navigation support, and even a track telemetry overlay. You also get ride-by-wire throttle, multiple ride modes, and custom user settings so you can tailor the bike exactly to your preferences. For the tech-savvy rider, this is as close as it gets to a MotoGP dashboard in a street-legal package. Design and aerodynamics. Visually, the 2025 Fireblade is unmistakably aggressive. Honda has sharpened the bodywork, making it more aerodynamic than any of its predecessors. The ram air intake is integrated into the nose cone, flanked by twin LED headlights that give the bike a predatory stare. Winglets are now subtly embedded into the side fairings, helping with high-speed stability without overcomplicating the design. The fuel tank has been reshaped for better knee grip, and the rear subframe has been slimmed down for a cleaner tail section. Every angle of the bike screams performance, but in a refined, purposeful way that only Honda can execute. Ergonomics and everyday rideability. Despite its track pedigree, the CBR 900 Fireblade is surprisingly comfortable for everyday use. The rider triangle has been slightly relaxed compared to the 1000RR models, with higher clip-ons and a better padded seat. This makes commuting or long weekend rides more manageable. The clutch action is light thanks to a slipper/assist clutch, and combined with Honda's optional quickshifter with auto blipper, shifting is seamless and addictive. You also get excellent fuel economy for a supersport, averaging 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers, making it practical enough for touring with the right accessories. Pricing and availability. Honda has priced the 2025 CBR 900 Fireblade competitively at around $14,999, putting it directly in competition with the Yamaha R9, Aprilia RS660 factory, and the Suzuki GSX-8R. For what you're getting, race-derived engineering, modern tech, and that Fireblade DNA, it's a compelling package. Dealers are expecting delivery by Q3 2025, with pre-orders already open in most global markets. Honda will also offer a SP variant with Öhlins electronic suspension, forged wheels, and a unique color scheme for those who want even more edge. Final thoughts: the return of a legend. The 2025 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade isn't just another addition to the supersport lineup, it's a statement. By reviving the 900 name, Honda signals a return to lightweight performance and rider-first engineering. This isn't about brute force or headline-grabbing specs. It's about balance, feedback, and thrill, everything that made the original Fireblade so iconic. If you're a rider who values precision, heritage, and versatility in one stunning machine, the new Fireblade is calling your name. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade. What do you think about Honda's bold move? Would you choose it over a 1,000 cubic centimeters monster or a mid-weight track toy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Bike Buzzing. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next video.